Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet. So you can follow along both on the app on your phone and on the desktop extension. So you cannot deposit directly from your bank account or credit card. First, you need to deposit into an exchange such as Bybit or Coinbase, where you can deposit fiat such as euro or US dollar, and then just gonna deposit that into an exchange like Coinbase. And then you want to go and buy some Solana. Then after you buy Solana, open up your Phantom wallet, click receive right here, select Solana, and right here, select the account and then click copy. So now we have your wallet address. Now open up your Solana on the exchange that you are depositing from. So for me, it's right here. Now click send and receive. And now it will select Solana. Now choose how much. I will just click max, and then where it says to, go and paste in your wallet address that we just copied and click it right there. Now click preview send, and now if you're sending to yourself. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.